Hey mates, it's time to take your midterm exam. This is a big deal. This is 25% of your grade. I asked you a long time ago to register here for your midterm, register for your final. Let's go to modules and just take a quickie look at that. All right. There is a practice midterm exam. I would say take that a minimum of 3 times before you go to your midterm exam. Your midterm exam is on campus and your final is as well. The other big thing that I want to remind you of is that you need to be working on your diet nutrition analysis project. If you look at discussions, I put some resources in here a long time ago as well. This is a playlist that I'm building. It has your announcements in it, but it also has how to do some of the calculations of the class and how to do the nutrition calc project. So make sure you're working on that. All right, keep up the good work, mates.